Hello students, welcome to a quadrilateral series 1 with a question 7. Let's see what the question 7 says to us. Question 7. ABCD is a trapezium. Here you can see the figure of a trapezium in which AB, this is AB, which is parallel to DC. Both the sides are parallel to each other. Okay, so they are never going to intersect with each other. Whereas angle A is 30 degree, angle B is 30 degree, and we have to find measurement of angle C and D. And at the last we also have to see, are this angle equal? So from here I would like to declare one thing, or I would like to share one thing, that especially in a trapezium, the angles formed on a non-parallel side makes 180 degree. Yes, exactly what you heard, that is right. The angles formed on a non-parallel sides makes 180 degree. And which is our non-parallel side over here? That is AD and BC. So BC and AD are my known parallel sides, and the angle formed on this side will make 180 degree. So if I talk about first side, which is AD, and on that two angles are formed, that is measurement of angle A and measurement of angle D. So this both the angles are going to make 180 degree, that is measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle D. Both are going to make 180 degree, and out of that measurement of angle is known to us, that is 30 degree, plus measurement of angle we have to find in the question, that is which is equals to 180 degree. So measurement of angle D is equals to 180 degree minus 30 degree. So measurement of angle D is equals to 150 degree. See how simple and easy it is. Same way we are moving on the second side, that is also non-parallel, because AD and BC are non-parallel sides, and the angles formed on a non-parallel side makes 180 degree. So side BC, and on that measurement of angle B and measurement of angle C is formed. So measurement of angle B plus measurement of angle C, which is equals to 180 degree. So measurement of angle B is 30 degree plus measurement of angle C equals to 180 degree. So measurement of angle C equals to 180 degree minus 30 degree. So measurement of angle C is equals to 150 degree. We found both the angles which were asked in the question, and at the last, are these angles equal? Yes, these angles are equal. So I hope this question was very easy and you understood this question more easier than this question. So thank you, and we will keep it till here, and tomorrow stay tuned for the question 8 in our series Quadrilateral series 1. Thank you and have a nice day.